Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track your stolen laptop by enabling the Find My Device feature in Windows 11 or 10. This is an essential security feature that can help you locate your computer if it ever gets lost or stolen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has completely loaded up. Wait for all your programs and services to finish loading so everything runs smoothly during the setup process. Once your PC is ready, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Windows Start menu icon there. Click on it to open the Start menu. Once the menu appears, you'll notice a search field at the top. Type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings menu, which is your control center for all system configurations and features. When the Settings window opens, you'll see various categories displayed. Look for the option labeled Update and Security and click on it. This section contains all the security and update-related features for your Windows system, making it the hub for managing device protection and system maintenance. After clicking on Update and Security, you'll be directed to a new menu. Now take a look at the left-hand side of this window. You'll see a vertical menu with several options listed. Scroll through this menu until you Find My Device and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to help you track your laptop's location using Microsoft's cloud services, which can be incredibly useful if your device ever goes missing. Once you're in the Find My Device section, you'll see information about the feature and its current status. Look for a button labeled Change. Click on this button to access the toggle settings. You'll now see a switch that allows you to turn the Find My Device feature on or off. Simply toggle this setting to the on position. By enabling this feature, you're allowing Windows to periodically save your device's location to your Microsoft account, making it possible to track your laptop remotely through the Microsoft website if it ever gets stolen or lost. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Find My Device on your Windows computer, giving yourself an extra layer of security and peace of mind. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.